Hi everyone, I'd love to do a quick introduction to the Supermums Consultancy Skills Course. Now, firstly, why do people come on this course? It's because they want to increase their confidence to lead projects, they want to feel professional and authoritative in their approach, they want to earn more because practically if they upskill in these areas, they are going to get normally another 10k on their paycheck. So they want to get rid of that imposter syndrome. And quite often they're going from a place of having no sense of how to best do documentation, how to manage processes and people on a project, to that point where they have a clear structure, a clear process, and clear documentation and templates. So they feel that they know how to lead a Salesforce project confidently. That is the key aspect. So what do we cover on the course to help people get to this point? Well, we cover the three key disciplines, which are the professional skill set that you need to run a project beyond the technical skills that you'll learn about how to build the system. So the first of these areas is business analysis. And business analysis is about unpacking the different business needs that an organization has and then being able to translate them into those technical requirements. So we cover things about how to do business analysis, how to ask the right questions, and how to document both functional and non-functional requirements. Now, as part of the business analysis session, we also provide business analysis scripts, which is a set of ready-made questions that you can use straight away, and a presentation deck as well around how to manage a project around Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Nonprofit Cloud, or the MPSP specifically, and also how to do a health check. So we also provide you with a whole set of templates that you're ready to go so you can hit the ground running and know exactly what questions to ask so you're not tripping over yourself. Now, alongside that becomes agile project management, because quite often people have that massive wish list of things. And you're like, well, how do I manage all these requirements? And how do I help a client think about their priorities? And that's where agile project management comes into place. It's about how do you manage that project and all these requirements that you've gathered to deliver a project that fits within time and budget. So we want you to know how to do that and to feel in control of that situation. Now, the key thing that I think overlies both these areas is change management. And change management is all about how to best enthuse and engage stakeholders along this whole journey of business analysis and project management. It's about to make sure that you are communicating in the right way, gaining people's buy-in, getting them excited, because all of this supports end user adoption and also senior management buy-in, which is incredibly important. So we teach you all these key disciplines that layer on top of each other to make sure that you can manage a project with confidence. Now, why are these things so important? What's my background and experience? Well, I became a Salesforce consultant back in 2012, and I quickly found that I didn't have a clear structure, a clear process, or a way of documenting things in a professional way. And that's when I learned that actually I really needed to skill up in these professional disciplines. And so I took significant courses and spent over £11,000 learning how to do all these things. But what I found about these courses, they were very theoretical and not really tailored to Salesforce projects. So I spent a lot of time applying those disciplines and learning how they could apply and align with a Salesforce project. And I grew a Salesforce consultancy. We had a team of 20 consultants, and I have overseen over 700 projects with 350 clients during my time of running a consultancy. And during that time, I built a whole suite of tools and templates, which I now provide and give to you on our course. And I share all my learning of what went wrong and what went right on projects, obviously without mentioning names, to give my experience about just the things to look out for, the things that can help you get up to speed really quickly. And I love teaching this course. It is one of my favorite times of the week to really help you feel confident as a Salesforce professional, learning all these key disciplines. What I've done though, rather than you spend all this money and all spend all the time that I did learning, is we've condensed everything into a 12-week course where we can share that with you through on-demand training each week for 2.5 hours. Plus, there's some optional recommended trailheads you can take. So by the end of the course, you'll feel equipped and knowledgeable and ready to go to do your business analysis certification with Salesforce. But also you'll have all these tools and templates that you can apply to Salesforce projects straight away. You don't have to build them yourself and wonder what you're going to ask on your next Salesforce project. So I absolutely love teaching. I have run a coaching and training business since 2006, and we've got a fantastic team at Supermums that work with me to support our learners throughout this journey. So it is one live webinar with me a week where we do group mentoring and training live. Plus, there's 2.5 hours of on-demand training that you can watch in your own time, and they're all broken down into 20-minute segments so you can fit it around your days. And then there's some optional trailheads. So typically you would be committing 4 hours or additional sort of 8 hours if you want to do the optional trailheads each week over 12 weeks. And what you will come out with at the end of that is a certification from Supermums itself around consultancy skills that you can add to your CV straight away. And that's certainly helped our learners land their jobs and land their promotions. But equally, as I say, you can apply and take your business analysis certification with Salesforce as well. So I look forward to working with you. Please do book in a call with our team if you want to discuss it further. We have a full-time team available in both the USA and UK that are there to answer any questions you have on a call, and we'd love to sort of obviously help you make an informed decision about whether it's the right course for you. So if we can help you boost your confidence, your earning potential, overcome your imposter syndrome and feel more professional, then I'd love to help you. So do reach out, and I look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Bye.